Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Redmi A1, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root at the file system. By default, only default phone application has access to the hidden directory, but the laws of some countries, and in my country too, prohibits recording calls in these regions, in these countries. So, because I have no access to the call recording feature. So as you can see, here I have no record call button, and if you have, so you can record calls using your built-in application. But if you have not this feature too, you can use third-party applications. For example, you can open Play Store and find any ACR button, ACR application. So just type ACR, automatic call recorder. So just find it. So sorry, my phone is too buggy. ACR. Okay, so as you can see here we have call recorder ACR, Cube ACR. I recommend you use this application because you can use it for free. And as you can see here we have 10 million downloads, so it's a really great app. And so you can use any application, but this app you can use for free. So just install it. Wait a while, click open, then click next, grant permission while using allow, wait a while, click enable app connector, find your Cube ACR, click allow, scroll down, choose allow, go back, click OK, go eat, allow, and great. Now you have now to permit the allocation permissions, and here you can buy premium, of course, but premium gives you no ads, instant post call actions, app lock with PIN, and cloud backup. So of course you can pay for it but you can use it without these additional features. So go back, and great, now when you will call to someone, your call, your connection will be automatically recorded, and when someone will call to you, so this connection will be recorded automatically too. But you need to understand that this application will be record only your voice from the microphone. This application picks up the sound only using microphone, so your voice will be recorded, but the voice of your conversation partner will not recorded. So if you want to record the voice of your conversation partner, you need to install root access on your device, or just enable external speaker while calling. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.